Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US Central Command says forces intercepted Iranian missiles and drones targeting Gulf region and Strait of Hormuz. US forces intercepted multiple Iranian ballistic missiles and drones launched toward the Strait of Hormuz and Gulf neighbors on June 5, US Central Command said. CENTCOM said its forces remain positioned to respond to what it described as unwarranted Iranian aggression in self-defense. According to CENTCOM, Iran fired 7 ballistic missiles toward Kuwait and Bahrain. The launch took place hours after US forces shot down 4 Iranian one-way attack drones that had been launched toward the Strait of Hormuz. CENTCOM said the drones posed an immediate threat to regional maritime traffic. US forces later struck Iranian coastal surveillance radar sites in Gorak and on Qeshm Island to defend against further maritime attacks. Initial assessments indicate that 6 of the Iranian ballistic missiles were intercepted. CENTCOM said a 7th missile did not reach its intended target. There are currently no reports of harm to US personnel, according to the command. CENTCOM also said Iranian claims that US 5th Fleet headquarters in Bahrain was damaged are false. CENTCOM said its forces remain vigilant and ready to continue responding in self-defense. The command said the actions were taken following Iranian missile and drone launches affecting the Gulf region and maritime routes near the Strait of Hormuz. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.